Okay guys, so here's an update on the Windows 95 thing. So if you remember part 2, what happened was the Windows 95 set would only copy probably like 5 or 6 files at most, and then kablamo, it's nothing. Alright, so let's see. So this time what I did was I ran through the Windows 95 setup once more, and instead of setting up Windows 95 for a laptop, all I did was I made it so that it only gives me the bare essentials to run 95. And I think after this, once I restart DOSBox, it should in theory boot to the Windows 95. Alright, and looks like the Windows 95, looks like the Wii crashed. We probably crap. Alright guys, I'm gonna try again to run the Windows 95 setup, but I'm going to spare some extra CPU power for the Wii. Since that thing is, I'm boosting the CPU thing is, I was boosting the CPU on the Wii on the emulator so much that it's corrupting it's causing the Wii to crash for some reason. Alright, let's see. What is going on? Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna run DOSBox one more time, and so I'm gonna run DOSBox one last time. And I'm going to actually just up this. I'm not gonna mess with the CPU speed. I'm just gonna leave it as is. Hopefully it'll be enough. Alright guys, I'll be back. Alright guys, so here's an update on the Windows 95 install. So in the last clip there, Windows 95 crashed. Windows 95 caused the whole Wii to crash, as you saw in the last video. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to leave the CPU speed as is, and hope that it's going to be enough to copy files and not overload the Wii. So I'm going to get to the Windows 95 setup, and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, I am running the setup. It's really slow, since I did not mess with the CPU speed whatsoever. So I'm just going, alright guys, so pretty much I'm going to skip to the part where the Windows 95 actually crashed the Wii. Now this will take a while, since, you know, slow, the CPU speed is as is. I didn't mess with it or anything. Alright guys, I made it to the so I made it to the end of the Windows 95 setup, and now we're gonna see if this thing will see if I can copy files to the SD card. So if this doesn't work, this is just gonna be a series of fails. So I'm gonna put the keyboard down. Alright guys, now, so I can tell you that we crashed when the thing copied, when the file copying got to about 3 or 4%, and then it just crashed. Let's see what happens. Some of your little snare drum friend there. Doesn't take forever. This is a long, long wait. Long, long wait, long wait. If this takes forever, I think I'm just going to skip to the part where it actually starts copying the actual files. We'll see if it gets past 3% before crashing the damn Wii. Yeah, I'm skipping this part. Guys, it's copying files. We will see what happens. Welcome to Windows 95. Windows 95 lets you unlock the potential of your PC. What you do now will be easier and faster. What you want to do and more is now possible. Whatever you do will be more fun. Oh, this is really cheesy. Okay, 1% and counting. 2%. Please don't crash. Please. 3%. Okay, right about now it would crash, but it didn't. 4%. It's not crashing. 5%. It's moving, but it's not crashing. 6. I think this is gonna work, guys. Alright, guys, I'll just skip this part, let this thing copy all the files and stuff. And and then then once it has to restart the computer, I'll come back. What the hell? And DOSBox just crashed. Great. So now DOSBox crashed. Shit. Alright, guys, I think I'm going to install Windows 2 or something like that. I'm not sure. Alright, guys, I'm gonna make another video. This is the end of the Windows 95 on a Wii video. Failure.